Hello, this is an explanation video for Tuesday, March 16th. We are here in Module 4, Day 2, March 16th. Okay, let's start with the sync. So today, here is the agenda. We will look at verbs that can be paired with a gerund or infinitive with no change in meaning. Okay, so we will practice this in small groups. Then we will practice searching for jobs online. Okay, so here is a short presentation about verbs with gerunds and infinitives where the meaning does not change. Okay, so these are slides with information about the grammar, and we will go through this together, sort of just as a quick explanation. And then this is our discussion activity. So you will, one partner will ask the question and the partner will choose whether to use the gerund or infinitive, because remember, for these questions, you can use either one and they're both fine. And then the other person will answer the question using either the gerund or infinitive. And then when you're finished, you can switch roles. So for example, when can you begin? And then the second verb is work. So you can say, when can you begin working here? Or you can say, when can you begin to work here? Either one are fine. The meaning does not change. Okay, and so remember, it's always the second verb where it's either a gerund or infinitive. The first one stays the way it is. Okay, so you'll ask and answer these questions with your partners. Then we will do this activity in the textbook, page 26 to 27, part 1 and 2A. Oh, let me click on it so I can open it. Okay, so part 1, you're going to discuss a time when you wanted to do something new, but you didn't know how to get started, and how did that feel? Then part B, where did you go to look for a job, and what suggestions do you have for others looking for a job? And then we'll look at 2A. Okay, so we're looking at this job search. This is an example of a job search that somebody found online. And we're going to answer these questions. How many jobs were found using the keywords warehouse in St. Paul, Minnesota? What type of information was chosen and shown for the highlighted jobs? And can you apply for the highlighted job directly on the website? If so, how? So for these questions, all the information is here in this picture of the job search. So you have to look through these details to find the answers. Okay, so let's move from here and look at the async. So the first one is a MEL, My English Lab practice. And you're going to do these two activities. Unit 2, getting a job, grammar. Use modals to offer polite suggestions and express possibilities. This is the grammar coach. Okay, and then the next one is part 1. Okay, so you're going to do these two assignments in MEL. Then we will do this quick review, not a review, but introduction to one word vocabulary. This will be our persuasive essay that we're going to write. And it will be our, our big essay that we're writing this semester. And so we're going to start by talking about the vocabulary so we can sort of use the same words going forward and we can all sort of understand what these words mean. So you're just going to go through these slides and look at the information and, just kind of read it, try to understand, and try to remember for the next time we talk about it. Okay, so that's the last async activity for today, Tuesday, March 16th. Thank you so much for listening and best of luck.